Pink skies on the floor, clouds moving like dots I can't ignore. I sit in silence, let the light in. Hoping you'll call, though you never said when. Velvet days and cotton lies, wrapped in comfort, but it's just disguise. I smile for the room, but the echoes thin. Feels like I'm outside looking in. So I drift somewhere soft, where the world don't rush and the weight wears off. Someplace where my heart don't need to pretend. Lonely doesn't mean the end. Floating in a daydream haze, wishing someone saw this face. Somewhere soft, I'll find a friend. Curtains sway like lullabies, but even dreams get tired of goodbyes. I play our memories on repeat. Your voice still lingers in the seat. Maybe I'm just meant to feel too much. Fall in love with every touch. Breathing clouds break through the gray. Maybe I will too soon touch. So I drift somewhere soft, where the world don't rush and the weight wears off. Someplace where my heart don't need to pretend. Lonely doesn't mean the end. Floating in a daydream haze, wishing someone saw this face. Somewhere soft, I'll find a friend. If you're I drift somewhere soft, where the world don't rush and the weight wears off. Someplace where my heart don't need to pretend. And lonely doesn't mean the end. Floating in a daydream haze, wishing someone saw this face. Somewhere soft, I'll find a friend. If you're ever feeling low, you're not alone. You're not alone, you're not alone. Come find me. Somewhere soft. If you got a daydream haze, wishing someone saw this face. Somewhere soft, I'll find a friend.